Good afternoon, my fellow commissioners. Here we are again, week 5, first guy to do the second shotgun of the year. A little more raw this time, no fucking suit jacket. More in the shitter, bottom of the league. Team's been playing like shit. Had some bad waiver wire pickups, plagued by some injuries. It's no excuse. I deserve this. So cheers to lowest scoring team in the league again, and fuck you, Jack, for A.J. Dillon not tripping over the line of scrimmage every other play.